Hello mga auntie girl, good afternoon. Hapon na dito sa amin. At i-check ko kung ano yung ginagawa ni Uncle. Wala kasi sa loob ng bahay. Yan yung ginagawa niya. Nagkakating ng fence. Hi! Are you fine? Tell me.
Boy,
What did you
I'm cutting
do?
the fence. There is still something. I'm just using my roipi tool again. It's a sweeper with the sweeper.
With the battery.
With the battery tool. It's pretty okay.
You can continue. Then in
That's
the
how you do it.
other side. Sa kabila naman. We just need to be careful of it. Because there is like sharp the spike. this. Okay. So powerful. Yeah. I forgot the video when you unbox it.
Yeah. Well, it's unboxing.
Yeah, that's it.
It's so easy that you use. Just open it when you're ready. Very nice.
Never put there.
You can make this a last video. It's not practical.
Berat na, madala. Berat. Hindi na tapos. Tapos dito din. Tapos na. Pero yung taas, hindi pa. Baka ko lang magkakaroon sa taas. Okay, sa lang. Sit na. No. Sit. Masaya ko lang pa. That's one house. Sit, bye. So, hindi pa pala tapos si Uncle. Yung sa mismong ibabaw pa pala ng fence, kailangan pa niyang putulin. So, papakita ko sa inyo. Ayan o. Yan. Yung sa side, okay na. Pero yung sa ibabaw, kailangan niya putulin.
This is only like basically rough cut. I need to still fix some places.
Yeah.
But this is like because I can do the smoothing if needed.
Yeah.
Like that.
Yeah.
In my mind, it's rough but good still.
It's fine. See, I told you, that's so. You can use this.
Now it's ending.
Nasira pa talaga ang sinilas. Oh, gubaers na. Sinilas ni
Need to
Uncle.
glue it.
Kawawa naman.
Need to glue.
Glue na lang.
Oh,
Okay, down now.
need to change the shoes.
Yeah. You can use my slipper.
I can.
You try it daw. Sige.
Oh,
You
it's so
try.
small.
Sige
that
daw.
I cannot.
Is it? Ay. Maliit pa lang sinilas ko. Oh, gubaers na. Kawawa naman sa angkol. Sino magdo-donate ng sleeper dyan? Nilagyan ko na to ng glue. Gubaers, oh. Nakaano na lang siya, medyas. Pero continue ang laban. Okay. Done. You can use the other shoes. You need to first have the sleeper. Oh. Hindi kaya ng anong kalaban.
Coffee tahan.
Oh, mag-coffee daw muna. Sige.
Coffee.
Sige. Coffee first. What do you think of your ano?
Look at that from here.
Fence cutting.
I need to still cut a bit more, but as a rough cut, it's good.
Ito yung gamit niya. Rovi. Ito Rovi yan. Ayun o. Ay. Blade niya.
And the neighbors also asking if I can cut.
Huh?
Neighbors are also asking if I can cut. So we make video of the cutting for the neighbors also. So stay tuned for that.
Coffee break.
Coffee and gear maintenance.
Care maintenance. That's the maintenance. Siraan
Screw
na.
this.
Yeah, need to put the
Put the
screw.
screw.
You have your sleeper there. Should I get it? The sleeper? Kunin ko yung sanilas ni Uncle kasi nasira na yung isa. Sino magdo-donate dyan ng sanilas? Nilagyan ko na yun ng glue tapos nasira ulit. Ginagamit kasi niya. So ito na lang yung gamitin niya. Oh. Pamalit dun sa nasira. Hindi ko na ilalagyan ng glue kasi ganun din. Nasira ulit. Ang dami naman hanlilipad. So magkakapi-kapi muna kami dalawa. At mamaya na lang daw niya ulit i-continue. Magkakapi muna kami mga diga. Okay? Mamaya na lang ulit.